Good morning, this is Paul, and today I'm going to talk about trailing jade, also known as Senecio Jacobsenii, which is a common name. I actually have to give a shout out to my succulent swap group because they ID'd this plant for me. I got a cutting 6 months ago, and I did not know what it was, but now it's in bloom. And these blooms are described as smelling like cheese, but man, I would say it smells like a sweaty gym. Now, they're very beautiful. I mean, super cool looking. I was really excited when this bloomed for the first time. And now that I understood the name, I researched a little bit of history, and let me share more information about this plant to you. So trailing jade, or Senecio Jacobsenii, is also called, Notonio Petrea, or Clania Petrea. And for like 100 years ago, 3 dudes were like trying to honor each other or something. And anyways, there's a lot of discrepancy in the name. So what I can tell you about this variety of Senecio is that it's native to East Africa, and it's hardy to like the low 20s, 20 to 25 degrees. And it will just kind of get some more coloration there in the frost, and in a really sunny environment, you'll get more bronzy. Also, I was told that the flowers will turn a bit more kind of purple if it is in a sunnier location. In addition, it has kind of a red-purple foliage. It's pretty green right now, but you can see some of the purple in there. And that will increase with the summer or colder temperatures. Right now we're in a constant like 40 to 60 degree state, our weather pattern, so rainy. So it's plumping up and decided to bloom in the middle of end of March. Let's see, it's in the sunflower family, which I found was interesting, and it does really well in the succulent fountain. And the reason why I put it on the succulent fountain is eventually it will grow about 4 feet. It will trail down about 4 feet to the ground in due time. So in addition, it likes typical like potting soil, and it will tolerate full sun to part sun. I'd recommend giving it about 3/4 of the day sun, but you could do either or. It does not seem too picky. It will tolerate quite a bit of water, and it can also tolerate periods of drought. So again, this is a Southeast African native. It's very beautiful and in the sunflower family. So trailing jade, I love the flowers, just not the smell. There's a nice up close for you. All right, there you go. Give us a like and a subscribe. Take care. Have a wonderful day. Dude, it's creepy.